Orca is back on the move, and the market is suddenly paying attention again. Trading around $1.30, ORCA just exploded with a 30% pump in the last 24 hours, and that kind of momentum is rarely random. It usually signals that something deeper is brewing beneath the surface. And right now, the Solana ecosystem is heating up again, and Orca is one of the projects riding that new wave of liquidity and attention. Orca has always been known as one of the simplest, cleanest, and fastest decentralized exchanges on Solana. But recently, the platform has started getting a second wind thanks to renewed activity in Solana DeFi, surging volumes across SBL tokens, and improved ecosystem stability. As more traders return to Solana for at high speed, low-fee swaps, projects like Orca naturally benefit, and that's exactly what we are seeing reflected in this latest price surge. One key driver behind this pump is the rising DEX volume across the Solana network. Over the last few weeks, Solana's on-chain activity has been climbing rapidly, and Orca has been capturing a sizable chunk of that liquidity. More users are swapping SBL tokens, liquidity pools have been expanding, and yields across the platform have quietly become more attractive. Anytime DEX activity spikes, ORCA, the governance token behind the protocol, tends to see renewed demand, and that pattern is playing out again right now. From a price action perspective, Orca's move to $1.30 looks like a breakout from its recent consolidation zone. Volume is rising, the chart is showing strength, and traders who were waiting on the sidelines are starting to take notice. If this momentum continues, the next near-term target sits around the $1.60 to $1.75 range, a level that aligns with previous resistance and psychological interest. And if the market remains bullish on Solana DeFi throughout the week, ORCA could even push toward the $2.20 region, especially with how fast Solana tokens tend to rally once momentum kicks in. Longer term, Orca's future depends on broader Solana adoption and continued improvements to its DeFi infrastructure. If Solana's ecosystem grows the way many analysts expect, with higher throughput, increased institutional interest, and more real-world applications, then DEXs like Orca will naturally sit at the center of that activity. And because ORCA is tied to governance, incentives, and the platform's overall health, any surge in usage typically translates into strong token performance. Right now, Orca is showing early signs of a revival, riding a powerful 30% pump and renewed faith in Solana's DeFi ecosystem. With rising volumes, stronger liquidity, and improved platform utility, ORCA looks like it's gearing up for another major run. And if this momentum holds, that $1.30 level might look cheap very soon.